Ever wondered how much money a bank actually makes? Think about it. You walk in, deposit your paycheck, maybe take out a loan. It all feels pretty routine. But behind the scenes, a complex financial machine is churning, turning those everyday transactions into serious cash. So, let's crack open the vault and see what's happening down under at the Commonwealth Bank of Australia, the country's biggest financial player. How much money are we talking about here? Buckle up, because the numbers are going to be big. Breaking down the billions, revenue versus profit. Before we dive in, a quick detour. There's a difference between revenue and profit. Revenue is the total amount of income a company brings in, like all the money deposited or fees collected. Profit, on the other hand, is what's left after you subtract expenses, rent, salaries, loan defaults. You get the picture. Revenue on the rise. Alright, with that cleared up, let's get to the good stuff. Looking at Commonwealth Bank's latest financial reports, their total revenue for 2023 sits at a whopping $17.94 billion Australian dollars. That's a significant jump from $16.31 billion the year before. What's driving this growth? So, what's behind this rise? Australia's economy has been chugging along steadily, and Commonwealth Bank is a major player in that game. They offer a wide range of services, from traditional banking like loans and mortgages to wealth management and insurance. As more people use these services, the bank's revenue naturally grows. Beyond the bottom line, a look at profit. Here's the thing, revenue is just one piece of the puzzle. We don't have the official 2024 profit numbers yet, but for reference, in their most recent half-year report, Commonwealth Bank declared a cash net profit after tax of an impressive amount. Where does the money go? Of course, running a bank isn't cheap. Commonwealth Bank has a lot of expenses to cover, from employee salaries and maintaining branches to managing risks and dealing with loan defaults. They also share a good chunk of their profit with shareholders through dividends. Beyond the numbers, the human impact. But Commonwealth Bank's financial performance isn't just about numbers on a spreadsheet. It has a real impact on people's lives. The bank employs tens of thousands of Australians, contributes to the country's economic growth, and provides financial services to millions of individuals and businesses. The future of finance. Looking ahead, the way we bank is constantly evolving. With the rise of online banking, mobile apps, and fintech startups, Commonwealth Bank will need to adapt to stay competitive. They're investing heavily in digital technologies and innovation to make sure they remain the top dog in the Australian financial jungle. So, how much does Commonwealth Bank make? A lot. But it's important to remember that revenue is just one metric. Profitability and the impact on the broader economy are also crucial factors. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.